What up, guys? Today's video, we're gonna see the rivalry between Mercedes Moné and Willow Nightingale. You're gonna hear some of my commentary in the video, and hope you like it. Let go.
Now, All In, the AEW Women's World Championship is coming home to me. Now, Renee, you want to ask me about Tekla and Willow. I don't give a damn who's walking out of redemption with that title. At All In, I am taking what's mine. Tekla wants to walk around here and talk about being tactic. But the thing, when things got a little too hot around here, when I cracked her in the head with this title, she ran and took her ass to Japan. And Willow, after I beat you on Dynamite, you took your ass to Japan too. It's so funny how both of you ended up in the exact same place. One hides behind a fake little poison, and the other hides behind a fake little smile. But neither of you can hide when that bell rings. You know, Renee, I am so sick of the same damn question. Who's walking into All In with the title? Wrong question, Renee. The only question that matters is who's walking out. And that's me, the CEO.
You know what's funny? Mercedes just came out to talk shit. That's all she's gonna do. She's gonna talk shit, and then she's gonna try to jump her. She's funny.
I didn't come out here to ruin your celebration. I came out here for business. So sign the damn contract for All In now.
Ladies, it is official at All In London, Wembley Stadium for that AEW Women's World Championship. It will be Willow Nightingale versus Mercedes Moné. Thank you, ladies.
Mercedes, what exactly is your problem today? What, for 5 seconds, people didn't give you all of their attention, right? Or maybe today you're angry because you remembered I beat you after your 584-day reign as TBS champion. It could be that, but you know what I think it is? I think it's that I have the one championship that you just can't get.
Do you know what I hate most about you, Willow? It's not just your stupid smile, or that the fact that all these people love and adore you. It's the fact that every milestone, somehow your name is written all over my story. When I got hurt and my career stopped, all these people celebrated you. When I fought my way back and I chose AEW, I had to go through you. When Mercedes Moné, became the greatest TBS champion of all time, guess who's the one that took that all away from me? That's right, Willow! And now you are holding the one thing that I am destined to hold, that AEW Women's World title. Do you know how that makes me feel? Do you know how that makes me feel? Every defining moment of my career, somehow you're smiling and I have to pick up the pieces. Do you know how that feels? Well, all in, I will not shut the hell up. At all in, I am going to finally end your fairy tale. Because Willow, you would be nothing without me. The only reason why these people cheer for you is because you stood across the ring from Mercedes Moné. So Willow, I want you to admit something. I made you. I elevated you. I gave you the greatest moment of your entire career. So all in, Willow, I am not just gonna take this title. I'm gonna take that damn smile too.
Oh, is that what you think? You want to talk about destiny? I've made history, honey. I made history. You want to talk about destiny? I dare you. I dare you to try. I became the first Triple Crown Women's Champ ever. That's what I did.
Out of my expense?
At your expense?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is the plan, huh?
Divine Dominion, Megan Bain across the AEW Women's World Tag Team Champions.
Oh my God, it's going to be 3-on-1 here.
Yeah, the Women's Tag Team Champs have been aligned with Mercedes. Oh, and a chop block by Mercedes Moné, and now Divine Dominion.
Oh no. No!
Oh!
You still have a whole career ahead of you, being champion, different championships, etc., but...
Hey! You want to embarrass me, Willow, huh? You want to embarrass me? You want to beat me? Where's the camera, huh? Where's the damn camera, huh? Keep smiling, Willow, huh? I'm going to give you something to smile about.
Sasha, come home! Sasha, we love you! Come home!
Dumb bitch.
Damn!
I ain't gonna lie, the way Mercedes Moné's been looking lately, that man Tony has been paying her real good. She looking thick as fuck. What the fuck? Shit.
Challenging for the AEW Women's World Championship. Please welcome first the challenger, Mercedes Moné.
Thank you, Renee.
And now please welcome the champion, Willow Nightingale.
Hi, Renee. Hello, Baltimore.
Ladies, there is a ton of history between the two of you, but last week on Dynamite, Mercedes, you viciously attacked Willow Nightingale.
Obviously, I didn't beat her ass good enough because her ass is still smiling right now. What's so damn funny, Willow?
No, you can never take my smile, Mercedes. Just like you're not going to be able to take this championship.
Oh, I'm not going to take that championship, huh? You have a lot to say now that we're in two separate rooms, huh, you dumb bitch? Yeah, at all in, I'm going to finally end you, Willow, once and for all.
Oh, you're going to end me. You're going to take your smile. That's what you keep saying.
Oh, yeah.
But you want to know why I'm smiling? It's not because I've got your number and you know it. I'm smiling because I have them. And you hate them. You want to know why they don't like you, Mercedes?
Why? Tell me,
It's
Willow.
because you've been spending your entire career working on being perfect. You've had the entrances, the clothes, the catchphrases, the hair, everything, right? And I'll give it to you. You've become exactly what a star should be. But I've never been anybody's prototype. I'm just Willow. And whether they love me or they don't, they know me. right? They've watched me win, they've watched me lose, they've watched me embarrass myself, but they've also watched me win this. And that's the connection that I have, the exact one that you've been chasing your entire career. And no amount of money, no amount of star power can win that connection. Or this championship. Can't win this for you either, Mercedes.
So that's
So I like my chances at All In, honey. Yeah.
Oh, you like your chances. That's who they love. That's who these people love is you. Huh?
I think so, yeah.
The person that smiled at me when I got hurt in New Japan. You were there standing over me, smiling at me when my career almost ended. I came to AEW. You were standing in my way, smiling at me. You took away my TBS championship, smiled at me, threw a cake in my face, brought your stupid friends out and danced all over me. That's the Willow that they love so much. That's the true Willow. That's who you really are. The bully. Congratulations, everybody. Everybody loves Willow. The bully. You did it. Congratulations. Keep smiling, Willow, because you only have 11 days left to smile, you dumb bitch. Oh, because when I get to you at All In, I am taking that smile once and
You're gonna
for
take
all.
that smile?
Oh,
You think you can take that smile? Come on, try and get it now. I'm getting
you
it.
come.
Where is she? Where's Mercedes?
Oh, you're gonna come to me? Oh, she's
Where is she?
Let's go. Let's go.
Situation brewing here, Willow Nightingale.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
Where's she? Where's the
This thing
That's
went
Mercedes intercepts Willow.
Out of here, come on.
I think Willow's head just bounced off that camera.
Can we just talk about how Mercedes Moné sneaks Willow Nightingale? Not once, but twice.
Mercedes was looking for Willow, but Willow was laying in wait. Well, now you see why. It was an interview in separate rooms.
Ambushing Willow, but Willow just fighting back with everything she's got, hammering down her challenger in London. And referees, AEW officials, trying to separate these two.
The title defense.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, but those security guards were just a little bit too handsy, don't you think? This is why the females should be bringing up the females and the males bringing up the males, so shit like this don't happen. I'm just saying.
Trying to make sure that nothing happens to jeopardize the AEW Women's World Championship title match 11 days from now. That's if Willow Nightingale gets past Mile World this Saturday at Collision.
That's a great point, Excalibur. That match is coming up on Saturday, my God.
All right, look at Willow breaking free.
It's still going, man. It's just going heavy duty here, no matter how much security is out here. Yeah, security, referees, Pat Buck in the front office trying to hold everybody back, and no one can, seemingly.
And they need to be careful, Taz. Oh, Mercedes! Charging in and now finally getting pulled out of the ring.
Hey, look at old boy right there. That nigga think it's slick.
And Willow being restrained.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think. I'm out.
Challenger Mercedes Moné and Willow Nightingale. Wow, 1 week from Sunday, 11 days away, All In